Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to disable the inner content block width in WordPress, giving you full control over your layouts and letting your designs breathe. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress homepage. Click the login button at the top right. For a faster option, you can select Continue with Google and choose your account. This streamlines the login process so you can jump straight into editing. Once you're logged in, go to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can manage all your blocks and layouts. Next, locate the carousel group on your page. Click to access its inner blocks. Then, in the Block tab, click the gear icon to open the block settings. Now for the key step, scroll down to the Layout section and look for Inner Blocks Use Content Width. Toggle this option off. And that's it. By disabling this fixed width, your inner blocks can now adapt dynamically. This gives you more responsive, custom layouts, making your site look cleaner and more professional on any device. And there you have it, a simple tweak that unlocks much more design freedom in WordPress. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.